We are less than a month away from the August primary election. Andrew Bailey is looking to serve 4 more years as Missouri's Attorney General. Will Scharf is challenging him in the Republican primary. First Alert 4 continues to fact-check campaign ads so you know the truth about the candidates. And tonight we're looking into claims about Scharf.
Will Scharf's not a conservative. He worked in Biden's corrupt DOJ.
Republican Attorney General candidate Will Scharf was an assistant U.S. attorney in the Eastern District of Missouri. Public records show he held that position from June 2020 to November 2022. He was hired during the Trump presidency and stayed on the job at the Department of Justice for 22 months under Joe Biden's presidency.
He worked in Biden's corrupt DOJ, cutting plea deals and handing out weak sentences to criminals.
The Liberty and Justice PAC, paying for this pro-Bailey ad, gives no specific cases in the ad, but we found a case in 2021 where the defendant faced a max 20 years in prison and/or up to $1 million fine for fentanyl charges, but Scharf agreed to a plea deal, giving the offender 61 months. Also of note, prosecutors don't sentence cases, judges do. Scharf claims on his campaign website he led over 100 federal felony prosecutions and sent violent criminals to prison for hundreds of years.
New York City liberal Will Scharf is weak on crime.
Will Scharf did grow up in New York City. This publication from his high school, Phillips Academy in Andover, Mass., says he grew up on Manhattan's Park Avenue. We found no evidence Scharf is a Democrat. After graduating Harvard Law in 2011, Scharf's LinkedIn profile says he worked as a law clerk for 2 U.S. Court of Appeals judges. We confirmed both of those judges were appointed by Republican President George W. Bush. Scharf's resume also includes work with Republican gubernatorial candidates Catherine Hanaway and Eric Greitens in 2016, and currently he is one of Donald Trump's personal attorneys.
Combat veteran Andrew Bailey earned 2 Bronze Stars. As Missouri's Attorney General, Bailey is standing up for Trump.
Through Bailey's campaign, First Alert 4 obtained Andrew Bailey's discharge papers showing he served in the Army and received 2 Bronze Stars along with several other medals for his service.
And cracking down on sanctuary cities.
Bailey is clearly on the record opposed to any city that claims to be a sanctuary for people who are in the U.S. illegally or for people seeking gender-affirming care. While threatening legal action, Bailey has yet to file a specific lawsuit against any of those cities. Right now, Bailey, along with other states' attorneys, are challenging the Biden administration's border policies. A lawsuit is pending, arguing policies which grant people lawful status in the United States are illegal.
And a PAC backing Scharf has launched its own attack ad against the Attorney General. We'll fact-check that for you tomorrow. And you can find all of our fact-check pieces right now on the First Alert 4 News app and firstalert4.com under the Campaign 2024 tab. Missouri